Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video. So I just got my Boxycharm for the month of May in the mail, and I wanted to do a first impressions on camera for you guys. I want to be surprised. I want you guys to see my actual reaction when receiving these. And for the last, I started getting a Boxy for 2 months already. And so this is my 3rd month, and I've loved everything ever since. I mean, I used pretty much everything that was sent to me, and I just really like everything. So I'm super excited. My hair is like up in a bun. I don't know what's in here. The only thing I did was I removed the tape, and as I was doing that, I was like, oh shoot, maybe I should do like an on-camera review, first impressions on the May box. So I stopped myself, and now I'm opening it up with you guys. So the theme is Mother Nature. I can already tell I'm gonna like this. Oh my goodness. First thing I see is this iconic London, and I think this is Plumping lip gloss in this pink color. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like. So it's pretty clear, pretty nude. I do love a plump, so I will be using this in the next video. You guys will see a try on. This iconic lip plumping gloss is the ultimate combo of a non-sticky gloss and plumping power. High shine formula is infused with peptide, which helps support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. And this is retailed for $26. So I'm super excited. I do like the color. I don't use pink, but as you guys can tell, it's not like pink, hot pink. Super excited to try that out. The next thing I see is this pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer, and this, let's see, it is the pretty Vulgar Uncaged eyeshadow primer. It retails for $22, and it is a blendable, lightweight, skin smoothing formula that will enhance your eyeshadow by making it vibrant and long wearing, infused with mineral rich clay to absorb excess, oh my god, I can't talk, to absorb excess oil. It will deliver a crease proof, fade proof, translucent finish that is suitable for all skin types. So excited to try this out. I will be doing a look for you guys. So just put a little bit there. It has a very subtle scent. So the next thing I have is this Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pad. And I'm excited to try this out. So this retails for $59, and it is a dynamic resurfacing facial pad. They are powered by Elemis patent tri-enzyme technology combined with a mild lactic acid and probiotic ferment complex to gently yet effectively smooth the skin, revealing a visibly luminous complexion. Awesome. Super excited to try these out. You guys an honest review on this. This I'm super excited for. This is Tarte, and this here is a Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. Oh my god, I cannot wait to try this out. Oh, I love makeup remover. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Super cute. Love the packaging. So this retails for $18. The ultimate lazy girl hack, which is me. This micellar water is a gentle, no rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long wear makeup, excess oil and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. Perfect, exactly what I need. I cannot wait to try this out. I definitely will be using this, I know a lot. Last thing is this palette. This is the Violet Voss Essentials palette. It is a refreshing new take on essential shades. It includes 10 full-size pans of warm and cool tones and breathtaking matte and metallic finishes, and it retails for $29. So I will be filming a look for you guys using the products in this box, and then I'll let you guys know how it worked out for me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one.